Hey guys, just got to do a little short video here and try to show you how to clean up your header pipes. This is one on the wife's new Freeride. Not sure how well you can see that, but it's pretty bad looking, bit of surface rust, bit of built up dirt there, so I'll whip her off and show you how I clean them. That worked. Piece of string on there. Ended up having to pull it in a kind of forward direction to get it at the right angle to unhook, but never hurts to wear a pair of safety glasses when you do this, in case one of the springs let go. The spring's unhooked. We don't lose the gasket, stick it aside. As you can see, that's what the pipe looks like there. She's pretty dirty and pretty nasty, so take it out and give it a clean. This is all I got here, just a bit of Scotch-Brite type stuff. Got some 000, might even be 40 steel wool, and just some CT18 truck wash. Just have to hook in and give it a bit of a scrub and see how it comes up. Just start off with the Scotch-Brite and get the bulk of it off. That's what I've come up with. Looks a lot better than it did. Got most of the surface rust and dirt off there, so should protect it for a bit more and make it last a bit longer, hopefully. So I managed to find some heat-proof paint in the garage, just in a black, so I might spray that on and see how it goes, if it gives it some protection or not. Not sure how long it's going to last, but worth a try. Alrighto, back at it. Paint's had enough time to dry. Chuck the gasket back on. There it is, guys. That's what we ended up with as an end result after the paint. Not sure how long it's going to hold up for, but certainly looks a lot better than it did. Thanks for watching. Catch us next time.